Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and show y'all I got me some I just opened this, yes, new eyeshadows. I got the one with the blue color, and I got this, and this is like my favorite makeup product. I love the company, I mean the product of the name. Let's get to the video. Subscribe and click the bell notification and press the bell notification. And so I got all my makeup stuff out, and I didn't clean my brushes, so I still got like some foundation on here. Sorry about the sun, because I did the video from the last time I did a video the other week, my last video, so go check that out. Hey, I haven't used this yet, but I had opened it to look at it, and had like, I have this one, the name, I have many names of, I have the bronzer, oh shoot, I'm saying this right, mirror in it, oh my god. So I have the bronzer that I have of that. This one I've been having this. I got this like, it was this year I got this, so technically it wasn't that much. It was like $2. How this looks, I haven't put no makeup on my face. I washed my face this morning, so I haven't did that. It's hurting and I'm on my period, so that's why I'm late of trying to put this. So this one, when I bought this, it seems like somebody just brought this back at Walmart. It has a brush in it, and it's probably because nobody technically, it seems like somebody brought this makeup thing palette back at Walmart, and it hasn't been used. It looks like it has. I'm not using this. But so it has this, and I kind of like, I've been trying to find some eyeshadows for a color blue. For this, I wasn't going to get this one. I was going to get the one, I'm trying to think of this name. They had an eyeshadow on pop up with different colors, like color eyeshadows with like yellow. Nice. And I just smell it. Smell like paint. It still smell like paint or something. And it's just so bright on this side. Okay, now you see it. But yeah, this is what I see. And also it's like matching my skin tone, because this is like my skin tone of this type of skin. Okay, I got all my brushes and stuff, and I got this, and got me some water because I'm on my period and I don't like being on. But I'm gonna make this video. Last time I got some eyeshadow, new eyeshadow, it was this one. This was the last time I had got eyeshadow, new eyeshadow. That was like this year beginning, because I was trying to go there to find at Walmart to find this. They didn't have none, and I forgot online they have it. So next time I'm gonna go to the hair store and they will have it, because I know the hair stores don't cost that much. Come on, son, don't do it. I gotta eat mine. Be right back. I'm just gonna put on my foundation so I don't have to make this long, because I'm gonna put on this, damn it, my Maybelline, and also put this on. Okay guys, I'm back. I just put some of the rest of this because I still got some in here that I have. I put some on my face, by my eyebrows. With my eyebrows, I don't really do that much. So it's just looking so weird. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this on here to help. First, let me do my eyebrows. Let me do like that. Oh, this comes out good. Okay. Now I'm gonna do one cheek makeup, eyeshadow. Well, I got a brush that needs to be clean that I haven't used, with the one right here. I know it has in the back, it says for one, if you're using 1 and 2, use this right here. Oh, look at this. The color of it. It looks like it's an orange or something when I did that. I think I put too much. It looks pretty cool. I kind of put some right here to look like that. So it looks really cool like that. One. Oh my god, look at this color. This color looks so, oh, I love that. That's kind of used for like when I set my face, but I forgot to spray it before I use it. Oh shoot, I sprayed another something, I think. I don't know. Oh no, it's kind of hard. I'm gonna try out another color. I would say it compares a little pink in it too, but I want to try this blue. I don't know how this will here, right there. I think it has a little glitter in it. Wow. So I put too little. Right. So I'm gonna try to see how this blue look in this. I don't know. I don't know how it would look, but oh, this is a dark blue. Look at this, y'all. Oh my god. This looks so cool. I think I put too much of the. I don't know. It's kind of okay. I got it. Makes it look kind of bad looking. Blue in it. I probably shouldn't have put the blue in it, but I kind of like this color. I wish it was a little lighter. It's probably because I should have had just used black or gray into. I don't know how this looks right now, but with my glasses on and look. Wow. Well, I don't know if I did this really good, but I don't know. My makeup thing, I put the foundation stuff. I didn't put it in there really good, but I'll be right back, y'all. After this, do the rest of it. And hey guys, I wasn't going to post this. I accidentally put too much powder on my brush and in my bronze, and I put too much on my face. Foundation, I didn't put that much on my face. I'm gonna wipe this stuff off. This, it works really good. The contour of the thing, the sun is just too bright on this thing, but this, it works. It I would say this is really good, and also the eyeshadow is kind of good too. I should never put the foundation on my face because of the forehead part. I was trying to fix it, but it is looking so, oh lord, looking bad because of the, my forehead gets dry, and I think I put too much powder on my face with the forehead part. See, look at the eyeshadow looking. I want to show you the eyeshadow and with the blue into with it, but I should never put the blue in it, but it looks kind of okay. Kind of, it makes it kind of like a dark black or something of it. This video I enjoyed, thumbs up this video, comment below. This ever happened to you? Every time you put makeup on, something messed up on your forehead, especially I have dry skin on the top. Oh lord, I don't want to show y'all the forehead. It's just looking so bad, but my eyes looks really good and the bottom face look, but the forehead is nuts. It looks so bad. Subscribe and click the bell notification. And also I want to say thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. If y'all new to my channel, I say thank y'all for that. And I almost had 400 subscribers and now I went back down. But subscribe, and also let's grow. But just subscribe and support my channel, support everybody that's small YouTubers. But I'm gonna be making some other videos. You know, being a small YouTuber, so I'm be making another video this week. But I'll see y'all in my next video, and also into the next week too. So yeah.